Hey traders, this is Dennis, aka Stock Operator. I got to break down today's price action. It was an amazing day. Uh, actually, past 2 days, I would say. Today, what, Tuesday? Um, okay, yeah, Tuesday. Past 2 days was like, I don't know. We had some pretty nice breakouts, nice price action. Um, crazy market. Real quick before we jump in. This name is worth watching for tomorrow. SOS. Look at the pump coming in right now. Let me check real quick on Finways. Let's see what's SOS as on the short flow side. Of course, there's no information here, like always. It's garbage. SOS. Can I get SOS data? Statistics. Let's see the float. Of course, no float. Share. There's no information. I would assume there will be a nice amount of shorts on this name, but look at this. You can read it yourself. This is pretty much short squeeze type of a deal going on right now on this name. This is really bad. How is this even legal? SOS Limited has garnered a 20% short in float. Uh, anyway, guys, you can read the whole entire thing on Twitter or here. This is ridiculous what is happening right now. How is this even legal? So I just shared this from Christian Formheads. So this is crazy stuff. Anyway, worth watching for tomorrow just for fun price action. So we're sitting at $6 right now, as you can see in this area. We might continue to go higher. But yeah, let's break down some names from today. How our watch list performed. I think it's amazing. The swings, killing it, guys. I don't know the win rate. If I wouldn't be that paper type of paper, it's the wrong name. The chicken hands, whatever I call it. Looking too much on the 5 minute charts usually distracts people, and it distracted me today. I bailed on my swing on Neo. Right here, I bailed right here on this 5 minute. I got out. Who does that? Well, I did that because we went below the prior day low, blah, blah, blah. It didn't even hit my target stop price because I always have offset, right? You don't want to put it exactly at the same level where it was the prior day low or whatever it could be. You got to give a lift. You know the word lift? Like offset. Um, I got out like my entry was pretty much at the end of the day around 39. As you can see, this would be a nice trade, but let me show you some of the swings that pretty much everything green besides PLTR. So Selch from yesterday's, I don't even remember where I bought that, but looking good. RBLX from yesterday's lows, looking good. ABNB today, amazing push, sent some news. I didn't take any profits, didn't sell on any of those names. Actually looking for continuation. I got Chewy yesterday, pretty much of the loss of $79. We're sitting here at 83 right now. POTR, my average 23.40, so I'm under the water, but I'm my kind of expectation here for the breakout and run higher, which is coming probably this week. I hope this squeeze is going to be this week. We're waiting for the 14th, guys. The 14th, that's the day when news come out. You know, buy the rumors, sell the news. It got a pump before the news. I don't know. Sometimes it doesn't happen. Sometimes it does. Most cases, that's how it works. And GMIA, just a killer monster run today. People ask me like sometimes, okay, man, there's no catalyst here. How are you playing this? There's no catalyst. The Arvo on this name was like, look at the pre-market action. Nothing. At the open, Arvo wasn't even there. But I understand. I understand the concern. I understand that people get used to it playing everything that comes from the scanner, everything that moving, having higher vol, having some fundamental change catalyst, something crazy, right? Or at least news. Well, sometimes stocks don't have that, but there is a catalyst. What kind of catalyst is here? It's a technical catalyst, guys. Number one thing, it's not even that catalyst you're looking for like news. Number one thing in trading, it's levels, which is support and resistance, and price action. Just want you to understand that this is number one, and everything else it lines up. If it's a catalyst, like technical catalyst, let's say it's some sort of a formation, right? A wedge, head and shoulders, or like double bottom here, right? This is double bottom play out. As you can see, we had a really nice consolidation from this level. We rejected, broke, came down right here. Then eventually we started to closing higher, and then as you can see, we closed higher, tested 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So I took it yesterday because we got a quadruple test here. Do you see what I'm saying? This is a buy setup. I didn't sell anything because my actually target is way higher. Yes, you can say, well, man, there's moving average here. You got to be selling, dude. Moving average is all last indicator, right? If the buyers here in control, they pushing it, so you gotta sell at meaningful levels. Moving average, it's just possible kind of target, right? Possible resistance support, less meaningful. I see lots of buyers pushing here, so I'm not selling until we actually hit the certain targets here. Just gonna break down of my thoughts on this. Also, I had another swing I got out, CRM. Same thing. Look at this. We broke this level. Chicken out again. Same like Neo. Both trades I get out on the first 5-10 minutes. Chicken, 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 right? Again, my stop was right there. Why would I do that? Too much 5-minute watching again. Too much 5. CRM still in play. Watch out tomorrow for the breakout over 221.60, guys. CRM is a buy over 221.60. Target is 229. Yeah, you got moving averages on the way. People are going to be saying, oh, there's moving averages. Sure, yeah. I mean, if you want to, you can sell some of those moving averages. All right, so let's look at the whole entire watch list because there are a lot of good setups coming for tomorrow and just in general played out today. ARRY, I'm watching for this initial IPO price. We back above this area, so I want to see what we're going to do tomorrow. Possible long above 29. So as you can see, they took profits, shakeout. Are we ready? I don't know. We're still in a downtrend. It's a downtrend. You see, it's a downtrend. There's no signal for you to start turning the corner. Yes, this is the first possible higher low, right? Like this. But guess what? Always look to your chart. Okay, this was also higher low compared to this one. Okay, maybe not the best example, but this was a higher low, right? Compared to this one. What happened? Well, we tanked. What's going to happen here? Well, who knows? But I don't mind actually playing of risking 29s. That initial IPO low. All right, RBLX, I'm already in. We're still consolidating. We'll let it play out. GM, guys, what a monster. I think we're getting into this exhaustion type of a price action. Look and see, they ramped the price today really hot. People were buying here. Good job. But then, you know, another flag. What kind of idiot you got to be to buy this flag after another flag, after this basin, after running from freaking 54, after this consolidation? What kind of idiots gotta buy the flag here into the high of the day? Well, there are idiots who buy it here. I'm sorry if you are part of this team, but you gotta learn the hard way. You don't buy it here on the flag on extension. What's ATR? $2 ATR. Just let's look at it. $2. From the prior close, it's 61. We come into 63. Like here, you buy in here at 63. It's $3. What's your expectation here? Oh, there's no overhead resistance all-time high. That's kind of, you know, dumb if you start thinking that way. So, you know, that's what people got trapped here a little bit, right? Let's see. Let's see what we're gonna do tomorrow. I think there's more overhead run. We have a catalyst on GM, right? News came out. I mean, so all the same. But this is a beautiful. This is a beautiful. So I want to see continuation on this name. PLTR we talk about, GMA talk about, Walmart finally reached the target, guys. Okay, baby, look at this. Look at this name. We played this 1, 2, 3, 4 times. And I always hear this thing, man, Walmart, all of this, names like Target, Walmart, Home Depot, hard to play, you can't make money, blah, blah, blah. Bullshit. I'm telling you, it's a complete bullshit. Let's say you have 20,000 on your account. Let's say you have 10,000 on your account, right? Small account challenge type of a deal. You can invest 5 grand, like 50% of your account here, buying it 130 breakout right there and selling it at 140. What are we talking about? 10 points, 10 points in terms of percentages. What's the percentage here? Let's look at that. All the way to here. Look at that. You would make about 500 bucks here. Almost like 600 bucks. That's what I'm talking about. And even you could take partials and add back at 130 bonds. And look at this, finally reaching the target. So what I want to see right now on Walmart, since it's a very strong name, as you can see, we start to see in signals, right? This week's representation, people taking profits. Well, smart people taking profits. There's going to be a dumb person buying it here into this, chasing it, sure. What I want to see, go back down. Maybe it's going to represent short setup, fake breakout, and then fade from there all the way back to 134s, 135s. And then we're going to repeat again and start going higher. Another potential scenario, we're going to sit here on a high and consolidate on a high and then break. So you're going to play the breakout to fill the window all the way to where we came from. Probably this area is going to be 144.50 and the highs. All right. Ojivo is still watching for this kind of channel, right? TSM, interesting. Back to the bottom here for the breakout. That's where we started. All right. I'm going to adjust this big boy right here. So TSM, interesting. I don't know. There's a possibility of selling here. Fill the window, maybe quick short 1 day type of an intraday setup. Oracle, what a monster, consolidating on a high. Not willing to give up, as you can see. All right, X today, I called it for a short setup, guys. This was amazing. So look at these levels. First of all, we had a nice runner, right? Nice runner in this name. All the way to the high. Oh, Jesus, this is a 47% runner. Wow. Yeah, this is almost, it's a 47% runner. Think about that. When you have runners like that on legit companies like X steel related company, you're going to see some selling. And what we see here, it's selling. How big is it selling? Into the prior levels. We have a couple levels here. This is a recent level. This is a prior high. As you can see, it playing out well. Right here, played out. Right there, consolidation. And finally, how could you trade this stock today? You wait for the first 5, 10, 15, sometimes 30 minutes, sometimes an hour. What kind of signals these 2 5-minute candles give you? First of all, you got a rejection with high wicks to the top. Second of all, you're next to the key level 24.5. What's the other signal? Volume, high volume. What's the other signal? You got indecision. When you see indecision going on, in this context, it's happening at the key level. You don't know what's going to happen. Maybe this is accumulation and we're going to go for the bounce upside. Maybe this is distribution, but a little bit by shapes of these candles. And the possibility, well, it can go anyway, right? But the shapes of this candle, but the wicks, higher, longer wicks to the top, it kind of tells me possibly there's a little bit of chance that we're going to go down. Well, you don't have to participate in any of these 2 5-minute candles. Where do you participate? On this 5-minute candle when we start breaking down. And that's it. You wait for your stop, keep it here, and then mitigate it all the way to 24.5. And as you can see, this would be a very nice trade all the way to where? Let's think. Oh, another support. Can you see? This is not a magic, like, it's simple. Understand how other people position themselves. Where are they sitting? How are they playing? You have to understand the market, how the market worked, right? The whole entire mechanism. Prior resistance, prior support, I mean. See, it's exactly to the penny you target. You out. 5-10 cent stop, and you put it $1 in your pocket. That's what I'm talking about. How long did it take you? This is the morning trading. Look at this. 40 minutes. Entry right here, 40 minutes. You could actually reshort it right here. We came back on the bounce. We didn't even break above, so rejection. So it's 5-minute rejection. Volume came in, so you short on this 5-minute low, closing on a low. Stop goes back to this area. Usually when you do this at end of the day, you kind of want to fade it and probably carry over something overnight. I would be probably taking some of the table end of the day. Very nice 50 cent dump. Another pretty good risk to reward winner here. All right, Unity, I mentioned yesterday, potential bounce of 100. We did a fake breakout today. Breakdown, look at this. Fake breakdown, very nice, strong closure. I'm looking at tomorrow. I wish I would buy yesterday at 100. I was kind of debating, and buy it. I participated in this run 91 to 100. That was amazing. I want to participate in this one right now. Very nice consolidation on the prior level. So next level is 114. As you can see, for those who like constantly crying about moving averages, well, there's no moving averages here, so you're probably gonna feel better. All right, so what's the next one? SPWR, not there. I wish I want, but I mean, you can't force it, right? Good company. I mean, I know financials, but just a good company, good sector to be. We broke here, but we don't have a follow through, right? We don't have a follow through. Consolidating around the level. So just watching, guys. Ozone played out already, so again, want to see the reaction. We had a nice step down and shook out a little bit of people and then closed again on a high. NIO, I think we still have what it takes to continue to go higher. And as you can see, many setups, wherever I'm showing you, you can put a trend line like that. It's all breaking, right? Similar setups on the market. And once we go down to the list, I'll show you some of them like really, really cooking. Look at Snowflake. I play this. I think we're getting ready for some sort of a breakout. And I think this is going to be very juicy and big. Snowflake worth watching for tomorrow, guys. Very nice consolidation. As you can see, stepper consolidating of 229s right now. Your stop gotta go. I would put it 230. I would disregard this. I mean, you know what? No. I wouldn't disregard. You gotta give it the offset on this one name. It's a 13.5 ATR. 229 stop. 229 stop. Were we aiming for freaking breakout and run all the way back? Probably into this consolidation. As you can see, we had a nice consolidation right there. So give a test fake breakout over this area. Again, my moving average in a way, yeah. Gonna take some profit there. Half point of this range. So, but first of all, we gotta break this prior level 243s. All right, Snapchat today. All right, this is the story of today, like trading. I took it. I got out real quick. Simple analyzation, guys. Where I talk about ATR, closing at 54. Let's say 54, right? Opening at 56.75, right? So 54, 56. Let's say 56.75. What is that? $2.75. It's already extended. The gap up overnight is already extended. Do you see what I'm saying? Sure. All right. So 56.75 to 58. This is over $1. So we actually sitting already at 1 ATR approximately in this area. And I was one of those people, but I kind of played out on a small time frame. I'll show you that Snapchat. It was a little bit choppy, and as you can see, once you see this overextensions, you'll see stuff like that, choppiness. Well, because people fighting, they're trying to get in, trying to probably breakouts don't work. It's ugly. Sure, stepper structure, blah blah blah. Those moving averages you like to play, fine. I mean, 58 right here. We did break. Look at this, 58. The first breakout and a 58 fake out. Okay, we're still holding. Now we gotta really hold this level right here, 57.73. What did I say? Guys, watch out, 56, 57.73. If we're gonna break below, we done. We done. We can hold this level. So of course, nice consolidation. And what happened? Another shakeout here. Another shakeout. This was the shakeout actually I sold it. Right on this pop, and then I actually turned down real quick. And look at this after that. Goodbye, goodbye. Retest of 57.73, and that's it. Yeah, it did pop end of the day, sure, right? But you can't be a back holder on a name like that. You gotta get out and understand that it's already made a nice ATR move. Just get out, guys. Look at this 5-minute setup. This freaking distribution going on there. In the prior level, extended name, all right? ABNB, nice structured level. That's why I was buying again the same setup. Support buy. I don't even have a name for this. It's just support resistance trading, right? Trend continuation. Big trend continuation from here. From this pivot point, we continue to go higher. On this time frame, bounce, bounce, bounce. We'll probably continue to go higher. And here you go. You got some news on top of that. All right, Bumbo, worth watching. Look at this. Very nice consolidation here. I don't know what are we building here, but there's a nice level, kind of bouncing, and today we're closing above that level. Second day on a row, so we'll see. SLQT. I'm sorry for the class. It's kind of long already. What is 21 minutes? But you see, there's a lot of great information. Take this as a lesson, guys. Learn it. SLQT. SLQT, nothing. But hey, worth watching tomorrow for potential short setup, right? Extended move. Look at this, 26 to 32. Watch out tomorrow what it's going to do at the highs. All right, Facebook, kind of the same type of thing. Nice runner. Unable to close on a high today. It does look weak to me, Facebook. I already played it short once, so let's see if we can get going down. Maybe shorting all the way to 300, 290s, 300. I wouldn't say 290s, maybe 295 to 300. LMND, very strong. Structured price action, as you can see, fake move down, closing, bouncing. Look at this. Prior levels, prior levels. Oh, how is this working? How is this possible? I see these people all the time using freaking, whatever they're using. This is what you got to be using, guys. Levels. And just look at the price action. You spot this level, right? Let's say this is all you see, right? This is all you see. You spot this level, you have 94.26. Okay, you got another level here, 91.82. We're kind of looking bullish because we opening, right? Opening higher. Oops, sorry, let's go back. Opening higher. So what you're looking for, what is going to be the reaction around 94.25? Okay, nice pop, rejection. Okay, I'm kind of too fast here, right? Breakout, closing on a high. Okay, this is looking a little bit bullish. This is a 5-minute time frame. Closing on a high, nice volume. We're looking bullish. Now you potentially can get a long position around 95, 94.50. Stop goals, below 92. You have two supports on the way. This one is not confirmed yet, right? This is a legit one. So you can get entry right now. 5-minute close. The next 5-minute actually close higher. Strong double confirmation. So two scenarios. Wait for the breakout. Get on a breakout or break out a pullback. Oh, is this a pullback? Sure. That's what I'm saying. 95 to 94.50. It's worth to buying it. Well, now it's double confirmation. Probably you should be buying it now for sure. Look at this consolidation. Here's a pullback. Sometimes it happens, right? I didn't know it was going to happen. So here's a 94.50. Double confirmation for you. We're holding. Possibly you can even add to your position right now into this consolidation. Possibly you can mitigate your stop to 94 bucks right now from this area. And instead of losing, let's say, your usual 100 bucks, no, you're using only 20 bucks or something like that. You don't have to lose the same amount every. I used to think like that. Every trade has to be the same risk. Every trade I'm entering, it's $100 risk. Every trade. That's wrong. And that's why you're never gonna be successful in trading. Your results gonna be bad. You always have to mitigate your risk, adjust. You always have to come with a protection of your risk. Have a wider stop first and then adjust. Think about it. You come with $100 risk and then adjust to a $20 risk. The trade works in your favor. You adding. Do you see what I'm saying? And that's what you got it. This is confirmation, pushing 99. That's what you want to take a profit here, 99. Look at this double topping a little bit. Take it profit. Smart area to take it. Prior resistance. Look at this. 98s. Take it. Guess what? Went all the way back down to this breakout area. And that's what I'm saying. You got to kind of, take this advantage of intraday swing trading. Something that can actually turn into overnight swings. So what you can do here, end of the day, you leave some position to play out overnight. And now you got to understand. So this is just intraday level, but important level from the prior history. So maybe you still want to mitigate your stop all the way back to 91.72 for overnight swing. All right, so let's continue. Plug today was pretty decent. Again, popped nice from the prior level, as you can see. Fastly, watching this consolidation, I think we can continue to go higher tomorrow. As you can see, many names have the same scenario. Nice consolidation over the level. Chewy, nice one as well. Looking for the breakout. You can put a trend line here. We had a sell-off. Looking for this reversal. Good company. Target strong, still sitting there. Look at this. BYND finally pushed above this area, so might continue to go higher tomorrow. Blink. All right, back above 41.5. That's important level. Yeah, it's worth watching Blink tomorrow. It is, guys. I think we're gonna have another runner. I think the whole entire week is gonna be type of running crazy and so on Friday maybe. DKNG, look at this. Everything is kind of the same, right? Selch is very steady. I'm so happy I got it on a breakout. Some of our guys got it at 40, freaking 42, I believe. Somebody told me like they bought it at 42. It's freaking crazy. I got it on a breakout yesterday, end of the day. Actually, not at end of the day. I got it at 50 right here in this consolidation. All right, T-Dog, watching this level, key level, we still sitting here, as you can see, minor downtrend. Recent minor downtrend, kind of like flirting with this. Let's see if we start holding this level and breakout. If we can get going, guys, this thing can run 20 points. 20 points a day or whatever. What's up? 11 points a day we can run. He's going to have some news. Oh boy, be careful. We can run. So ideally, I want to buy this for the swing, and I'll probably will be watching it tomorrow and buying it. It's not a cheap one, you know. It depends how much capital you want to allocate. I don't want to allocate more than 50 shares on this name. Maybe I'll start with 25. Just think about it. Always think with risk first. The risk got to be below this consolidation, near this consolidation. We had it right there. So let's say I'll give you some room around 170, I'll say 178-ish. So probably risking about 7 points, right? This thing can run all the way to 220, taking some targets at 200s to 230s. Risky reward is there. All right, Tesla today. Nothing. Sideways consolidation again. Watch out, Tesla. We're gonna either break out upside or we're gonna break down to the downside. Fake breakout yesterday, attempt end of the day. Today we had a fake move too. Look at this. Fake breakout right here over the intraday high. People being dumb. See, the whole entire day, this name trades inside the range. People trying to buy the breakout end of the day. How often do they work? Exactly. Exactly. You know the answer to that question. Most of the time, they don't freaking work end of the day. PG, Procter Gamble, still consolidating. Worth watching, guys, for the breakout. It's worth watching in this market. Breakouts right now working. Right from the gates, 15 minutes later, look at Microsoft. Any questions? It is working. 15-minute breakouts. Working, working, working. Consolidation on MSFT. Just watching that name. All right, AMD. Watching that name. XPEF. So we came back down to this 35. So I put this as a level right now. As you can see, prior bounce right here, important level. 35.5, bounce here. So we're getting tighter a little bit here, right? The range getting tighter, putting probably a new support right now. This is probably a new support. So let's see what's gonna happen. EV is a little bit hot, right? I do like it, and moving average is underneath, so we might start curling, guys. XPEF worth watching for tomorrow. CRM, I already mentioned this, watch out, breakout, very strong, similar scenario, right? Look on some other names. Apple. Apple, just watching ZI. I do like pullback on ZI. What is that? It's the window. We filled the window, came back to the prior level. Look at this. So you got a bounce here, right? Pretty sharp bounce, a little bit of imbalance. Too soon to say. This is the window. So this is all of the levels. Look at this, how they match. Rejection here, bounce here, bounce here, bounce here, bounce here. Came, consolidated, faded, started from this level, came back, rejection. So ideally, breakout over 49, it's a long. In this area, between 49 to 46, it's still in a bearish case, possible consolidation. If it starts going lower for retest, I might actually grab the bottom for the bounce. CCAV, not sure what kind of news it had, but what a run. I think it's just squeezing shorts here. Nice consolidation on CCAV. Just watching, guys. And then DM bottoming here multiple times. Shakeout. This is a nice shakeout here. So let's watch this name for a curl back continuation. Again, look at this. Same type of right? Same type of a price action. Breaking this on this day, start running, then fading back down. Oh, you can even extend this big boy. Look at this. So now we're holding this trend line. So I don't play stuff like that usually, but I know people freaking play this stuff all the time, and which is like, what kind of support is that? Well, people do play that. Anyway, HIMX, HIMX, strong close right on a high. What do you see here? Fake breakout. After the fake breakout, the fact that we didn't sell, we closed still strong, and the next day we came back and closed higher than the prior day. You attempt to break out again. It's worth watching for potential squeeze above this 80 and run up. Another scenario could be a fake breakout again and shorting setup. All right, Tiger, I do like this name. Look at this daily initial pop, pullback, candle over candle, nice volume. Candle over candle, nice volume. Potential continuation on this name. Roku today running on news. Very, very nice. I don't know how did I miss Roku on news today, not sure. But we already extended on this name right now. I wouldn't chase because we're coming into this consolidation. We had it from the recent days, right? You see this consolidation. This is your resistance between 370 to 383. So be careful there. All right, WB about to break, guys. Look at that. Very nice consolidation range between 51 and I don't have a number here. 47.75s. So we're getting ready. Very nice squeeze. Testing the high here. I really want to see more days like this consolidating, kind of building a cup here and a breakout over this area. D-Dog, Getting ready for breakout. Look at this name. APPS, very nice. Consolidating on a high, hourly looking decent with many attempts to close higher. So let's see if we can get going tomorrow all the way to 94 and some change square. Same stair stepper, getting ready for breakout. Twitter, very much the same. I mean, guys, this is Twitter actually having this very nice wedge. Look at this. This is a wedge breakout. Look at the beauty. There's so many good patterns like that. So Twitter, watch out tomorrow. Look at this close end of the day. This is a buy. I don't know why I didn't buy. Well, I just got home from work, so. But this is a buy overnight swing. If it's gonna open in the same area and not gonna go anywhere, watch out tomorrow. Twitter buying possibly of this intraday. So second day play, right? Intraday. Oops, what am I doing? Intraday consolidation. It's gonna act like support. By the way, this is also important key level, as you can see. So yeah, I want to play of 67, guys, tomorrow on Twitter. Looking hot. Python, consolidating, getting squeezed between moving averages. So might get going here. Very nice close on a high, right at the key level. All right, and lastly, RMLO. Predicted the whole entire play on this name, guys. Didn't take it. Was busy with some other names today. But look at that. Look at that RMO. The buy was, if you look at the 1 minute chart, the buy was right here. That was a pure buy right here. It's a pullback right here. Buy another right here. I would probably buy right there again. Why? That was a pivot point. Right here. So when you put levels, you gotta put levels correct way. This is the new high in this candle. This is retest. So 10 baht. Oh, it's a whole number, 10 bahts. Look at that. Came back 10. We fell below 10. Didn't spend too much time. Start closing above this moving averages. This is another buy. Stop goes right there. And you're riding moving averages. Look at the squeezer here. Freaking nuts. This is crazy. It's just squeezer. Anyway, guys, very long class, but hey, there's a lot of information to learn. Take this as a learning opportunity, guys. If you have any questions, let me know. Join us in Discord and on YouTube, guys. Take care.